Once upon a time in a distant land, there lived twin siblings named Harmony and Radiance. Harmony and Radiance were the only twin siblings in the village, and they were adored by the villagers who often gifted them toys. One day, they decided to explore the small forest near their village. Despite its size, the forest revealed the beauty of towering trees and vibrant flowers. As they ventured deeper. As they marveled at the surroundings, they suddenly spotted a magical bird with azure feathers gracefully soaring in the sky. The bird's colors were so enchanting that it resembled the sky itself, and its bright feathers danced in the wind. Harmony and Radiance wanted to catch this special bird, but it moved so swiftly that they couldn't grasp it. Determined, the twin siblings decided to follow the bird, embarking on a pursuit that led them to a flower garden near their village. In the enchanting flower garden, the blue bird approached Harmony and Radiance, expressing a special request. The bird conveyed its desire to build a nest in the forest and explained that it needed their help to gather beautiful flowers and feathers for its nest. Recognizing the challenge, the bird sought assistance from the eager siblings. Harmony and Radiance gladly accepted the bird's request and collaborated to collect flowers for the nest. They also ventured into the forest to find bright blue feathers. After a challenging search and adventure, the blue bird finally completed its nest. Gratefully, the bird thanked Harmony and Radiance. It decided it didn't want to leave the forest and chose to reside in the flower garden. Harmony and Radiance became the bird's new friends, and together, they began to experience wonderful adventures in this magical world. From that day forward, Harmony, Radiance, and the blue bird became the best of friends, promising to always stay together. They encountered delightful adventures every day, discovered the unique beauty of nature, and lived happily as inseparable companions.